All right, friends, for your final page here, you're going to be using tempera paint. So grab your tray with your water dish and your sponge. You probably will need a medium and a large brush. You don't need the really skinny one. And you need your tempera paint. Open the lid here. And you're also going to need a mixing plate, a paint palette, because some of these colors that you're going to have to paint are light and dark versions. So your goal here is to paint in this picture by matching up the color and the number. So for example, anytime you see a number 1, that is going to be green paint. Anytime you see number 5, that is orange. Now the one color that gets a little bit different is 3, 2, and 7, because you have blue, dark blue, and light blue. So that's where your mixing plate will come in. For blue, dark blue, and light blue, you can use your regular blue from your tempera paint tray for the regular blue. So I could use that for all of the space number 3s like this. But when it says dark or light blue, we have to mix up those colors. So we learned that light blue would be a tint, dark blue would be a shade. So to get a tint, I have to mix blue and white to make that light blue. To get dark blue, a shade, I would have to mix blue plus black. Now remember, black is very overpowering, so I'm only going to take a tiny dot and mix it into my blue. So I've got now light blue, dark blue, and then that's my regular blue. So you can see the difference between the 3. So my job here is to paint the whole picture by staying inside of the lines. Here's a tip. Use a brush that has a flat side on top. It kind of looks like a square. So grab a medium and a big brush that are both flat on top and square-like. And this will help you when you're painting in the spaces. For example, when I'm painting in space number 1, what I like to do is press my brush up against the side and then pull in. And that will help me get a nice smooth line. You can even press your brush up against the line like this and go slow up against those edges. So your goal here really is to paint inside of the shapes very smooth and very even, and to match up the colors. Okay, so when you're done painting all the spaces, put your name on top, wash your brushes off, close your tempera paint, put your mixing plate in the dirty dishes.